Welcome to the Romex instructional video for ROMPOX 202 Deco EP. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to properly apply this product to create long-lasting and decorative surfaces using clean crushed stone or gravel. These surfaces are also highly permeable to water and have excellent UV stability. ROMPOX 202 Deco EP is a binder for stabilizing clean crushed stone and gravel except white or very light colors where Deco UV is appropriate. This product is ideal for designing decorative areas, drainage strips, garden paths, driveways, and parking spaces in residential areas, as well as walkways and tree pits in public spaces. It binds clean crushed stone and gravel with high strength, creating slip-resistant and low-maintenance surfaces. Due to its exceptional water permeability, Deco EP is also a sustainable and environmentally friendly solution. For the application, you will need a concrete or mortar mixer, a screed bar, a finishing trowel, a wheelbarrow, and, if necessary, a paint roller and a shovel. We recommend using durable and impermeable protective gloves during application. To achieve the best results, ensure that the base construction is stable, settlement-free, and water permeable. For areas subject to heavy loads, we recommend using a bonded base layer with our trash bedding mortar. Additionally, depending on the size and layout of the surface, sufficient expansion joints must be planned according to physical principles. To mix the product, first add the clean dry crushed stone into a concrete or mortar mixer to the specified mixing ratio. Then, add both resin components simultaneously and mix for at least 6 minutes. We recommend pre-mixing the resin and hardener components in a clean container for 2 minutes before adding them completely to the crushed stone and mixing for an additional 3 minutes. In general, always fully empty the containers. The more binder used, the better the final result. The finished mixture can be poured into a wheelbarrow and then spread onto the prepared surface. Use a shovel or trowel to distribute the material evenly. Then, level the surface using a screed bar. To compact and smooth the surface, use a finishing trowel or a light vibrating screed. Proper compaction is crucial for the stability and durability of the surface. Tools and work shoes should be regularly cleaned with a small amount of solvent during the application process. For areas subject to heavy loads, the surface must be top-coated immediately after curing with the same binder. Simply apply Deco EP evenly using a paint roller. The freshly applied surface must be protected from rain for 24 hours. Ensure that the rain cover does not rest directly on the surface to allow air circulation. ROMPOX 202 Deco EP is a versatile solution for efficiently creating attractive, durable, and walkable surfaces. These surfaces are easy to clean and highly water permeable, making them an ideal and eco-friendly solution for tree pits as well. Also, check out our video for practical application tips and guidance on how to create slip-resistant surfaces.